Hello Kickstarter! Robo has now developed an Arduino library for all the makers out there. It brings the two worlds of Robo Wunderkind and Arduino together, as I'll show you in this demo. The Arduino library is for the ESP32 boards, as it needs Bluetooth Low Energy to communicate with Robo. I have on the Arduino side a knob, a button, and an LCD display. On the Robo side, we have a light sensor, a LED, and two LED matrices. So, first thing to do is to connect over Bluetooth Low Energy, which we have already. Then we are scanning all the peripherals for some data. So as I turn on this button, it'll turn on the LED. As I click it, it'll turn it off. So while it's on, I can scale the brightness over here with the knob. And then over on the display, we are showing the real-time light sensor data from Robo. So as I cover the sensor, it goes to 0, and then as I uncover it, it returns to normal. The library allows access to all of Robo's functionality, so you can create whatever you like. Some examples may include remote Robo controls, simple IoT projects, augmented Robo builds with your own hobby electronics, and much more. We hope you get really creative with your projects and share them with us. Support our campaign so we can develop more cool stuff. Bye-bye.